Hi, today we're going to help you paint your metal garage door. From the materials you'll need to the step-by-step process of painting your garage door, we have it taken care of. So let's dive in and get started. A fresh coat of paint can help rejuvenate the look of your garage and increase its curb appeal. So let's start with the materials you'll need. You'll need paint, painter's tape, paint brushes, a bucket and sponge, a sanding block, a fume-rated mask, safety glasses, paint stirring sticks, a roller brush handle, and heads. You'll need rags, a ladder, a roller tray, and paint thinner, and also a sprayer and primer. If you want to paint faster, you can use a sprayer instead of a paintbrush or roller. Just keep in mind that heavy winds could prevent a sprayer from working properly. Step number 2. Wait for good weather. It's important to wait for ideal weather conditions before beginning a paint job. If it's raining, over 90 degrees, or very windy, you may experience issues with the drying. Ideally, you want the temperature to fall between 50 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Step number 3. Sand the surface. First, you'll want to remove any old paint on your door by sanding the surface. Gather your scraper, stiff wire brush, and a sanding block to scrub off the old coat. Step number 4. Wash and rinse. Once your door surface is smooth, you're ready to give it a wash. Use dish soap and water to scrub away any dirt, rust, or grease. When finished, rinse off the soapy residue with water and dry the surface with a rag. Step number 5. Unplug your garage and tape off your door. If your garage door is automatic, it's best to unplug it and pull the safety release chain so you can adjust its position manually. Tape off any areas of your door that you don't want to get paint or primer on. This probably includes your windows, gaskets, trim, and handles. To avoid paint drips on the concrete, lay out a tarp or drop cloth. Step number 6. Apply primer. If your door isn't already primed, you'll need to do so now before applying paint. Use your paintbrush, a roller, or a sprayer to apply a coating to each panel, making sure to get in between each indent and crevice. Wait until the primer is dry before you begin painting. Last step, paint from top to bottom. Once you've stirred your paint and prepared your brushes, it's time to apply the first coat. Start from the top right panel and work your way down until you're finished. This could take a couple of hours if you have a large door. Paint one panel at a time until you reach the hinges. From there, lift the garage door so you have more room to move and can be more precise with your brush. After applying paint to the edges, you're done. If your door isn't fully covered by the first coat of paint, wait for it to dry before applying another coat. Keep in mind that an oil-based paint will take much longer to dry than an acrylic latex paint. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have a fresh coat of paint on your garage door in no time. Now, if you need a garage or carport for way less than most people pay, you should check out the prefabricated metal buildings at Allen's Factory Outlet. We can help you save thousands of dollars. Whenever you're ready, visit our website at allensfactoryoutlet.com to start customizing your garage. There's a link in the description. We'll see you there.